تیسری عالمی صوفی کانفرنس سے خطاب کرتے ہوئے چیئرمین پیپلز پارٹی بلاول بھٹو زرداری نے کہا
upon its inception many hundreds of years ago. Centuries ago, it was the Sufis that spread Islam across the Indus Valley. Through love and harmony, luminaries like Data Sahib, Rahman Baba, Bulle Shah and their contemporaries strove tirelessly out of their sheer devotion to the deity, and their devotion inspired millions to embrace Islam. Today, sadly, extremism is worn like a badge of honor. Those that lie do so with impunity, peddling fear. Their purpose is simple.
بلاول بھٹو نے خطاب کرتے ہوئے کہا
Sindh is known as the land of the Sufis. From Lal Shehbaz Qalandar to Shah Abdul Latif Bhittai, from Sachal Sarmast to Shah Inayat, we are destined to stand up for truth, and only for the truth. Is it any surprise then that the Bhutto family hail from this very land? When my mother, Mohtarma Benazir Bhutto Shaheed, raised the flag for the truth, there were few who were willing to lend their voices to hers, and fewer still who chose to stand beside her. But she continued undaunted in the proud tradition of the Sufi.
چیئرمین پاکستان پیپلز پارٹی بلاول بھٹو کا مزید کہنا تھا
The torch bearer of the truth, fighting the honest fight, the non-violent fight, but the most important fight, the fight against injustice, the fight for the triumph of the truth. When barbarians attacked the shrine of Lal Shehbaz, they shook us all to the core. The devotees that were martyred took a piece of us with them. We lost our bearings. Devastated, disorientated, we were lost. It was then that mere hours after suicide bombers blew themselves up at that beautiful spiritual place, that one man decided he would not cower. He got up and he rang the shrine's bell.
Lotus Lake Towers, a groundbreaking endeavor by Lotus Properties. ملکی، بین الاقوامی، سماجی، سیاسی، تجارتی، ثقافتی، تفریحی، معلوماتی اور کھیلوں سے جڑی ہر چھوٹی بڑی خبر کا مرکز TNN TV.